Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to apply these 3D nail art charms, and we're just going to freestyle, do a nice cute polygel set. I love 3D charms, they're so adorable. So if you guys want to learn more, then keep watching. So first I'm going to be applying base coat and primer. Well, actually not first. I'm not going to be showing you guys how to fully prep your nails in this video. If you'd like to learn how to do that, I'm going to link a video above here, and that'll show you how to fully prep so that your nails last a long time. I like the brand Burano's primer and base coat. All the links will be in the description box below. But what I do first is go in with my primer, cure that, go in with my base coat, and then cure that. So since I will be using Burano Polygel today, I'm also going to be using their slip solution. So for this video, we're going to be using full nail covers. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that, by the way, these will be linked down below in my description. But what you want to do is make sure that they fit your nail wall to wall. If you come across a nail cover that's either too big or too small for your nail bed, just opt for the bigger one. You can kind of pinch it a little bit to make it fit your nail, or you could take a nail file and size it down a little bit, but you want to make sure that it fits your nail wall to wall. So I'm going to be using the light pink color by Burano. I love this color. It's so pretty. In fact, I have to order like the whole set again just so I can get this light pink shade. I really love it because it's nice and thick. The color is really dense, so you don't see any of your natural nail coming through. So I'm going to be using this little nail art display stand that I purchased off of Amazon. This is making life so much easier. If you guys watch my videos, then you know that I usually just do it in my fingers. But this makes it so much easier, less sticky. This is definitely an investment. So I'm going to be leaving the link to this in the description box below. It's basically just a little magnetic thing, and it comes with wall tack. You can put all 5 fingers on one thing. I'll have a picture of it displayed right here, and I believe it's $10 or less. So definitely pick that up if you do polygel often and you use this method. But all I'm doing is applying the polygel and the nail evenly, and that's it. Nothing special, just making sure that the polygel is wall to wall. What you also want to do is take your nail off and make sure what you see on the front is what you like, because if you see that polygel isn't in one corner or whatnot, after you cure it, it's a done deal. So just make sure when you flip it over that there are no bubbles and what you see on the front is what you like, because that is what you will get. So here I'm just wiping the polygel from around my cuticle. So I'm going to go in with the MAKARRT clear polygel for the pointer fingers because we're going to be using caviar beads on those. I absolutely love MAKARRT's clear polygel. It's honestly the best one that I've come across. The other brands, they just bubble up too much for me, but this one is so good. I do have a link down in the description box below, and I have a coupon code with them so you can get 15% off. I think when you go on Amazon and purchase it, it's... Ooh, see, it happens. That'll happen though if you go a little bit too hard. But I think when you purchase it on, I'm pretty sure when you try and purchase the polygel on Amazon, it's going to be more than if you were to go to MAKARRT.com and purchase their clear polygel and use my code. I'm going to double check for you guys, and I'm going to put a little note on the screen which one is cheaper, and I'll leave the link in the description box below. But yeah, I'm not just saying that because like I have a code. It is an affiliate link, so I do make a commission, but I'm just trying to tell you how to get the most of your money. So I'm gonna let you guys know which option is cheaper. But I'm just gonna be doing the same method, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch me work. So now I'm going in with a paper towel and alcohol and wiping my nails down. Polygel can leave a little bit of a sticky residue, so this is definitely needed before we start filing. If you have lint-free pads, those will work so much better, but I don't have any of those yet. They're coming in, but they're not here yet. But if you do have those, I would recommend using those over a paper towel. So now what I'm going to do is go in with these nail nippers and go around my cuticles and get some excess off that I may have not gotten when I did my little wipey wipe thing. But for this tutorial, we're going to be doing some cuticle work with our nail drill. I'm going to be going in with a 100/180 nail file. I get a pack of 12 of these off of Amazon for I'm not sure how much, but the link will be in the description box below. I love these nail files, especially since they have the curved edge. It makes life so much easier. But I'm just going to go in and file up a little bit. When you're using full nail covers, you really don't have to do too much of this. It's really just at the top that you want to file and get perfectly straight, because full nail covers do like all of the shaping for you. That's why I love them. So I'm going to be going in with my EC Basket nail drill. The link to this will also be in the description box below. I think it was around like $50 and I love this nail drill. But what I'm doing is I'm going in and I'm cleaning up my cuticle area, because when you do this method, it can leave your cuticles looking a little bit bulky if you put too much polygel on the edges. So when you're putting the polygel in your nail cover, what you want to do is make sure that you're thinning it out near the edges. And if you come to the end and you realize that you put a little bit in too much like me, you can go in with a nail drill and just file it down a little bit. So now we are going to start applying our bling, charms, all of that good stuff. I'm going to be using MAKARRT's clear polygel to apply everything. I love using polygel to apply my stones and my charms because it gives me the best hold. And like I said, I really love MAKARRT's clear polygel. I use it for like everything. So what I'm going to do is go in with this nail daughter tool and put the clear polygel where I want my bling to go. I'm going to go in with these stones that I got from a Gershon kit, and that will be linked in the description box below as well. It also came with this wax tip applicator, and I love it. Like, this wax tip applicator is everything. It makes applying stones so much easier, and both of these come in the kit as well. It comes with, I think, 5 or 6 different colors, and they're all beautiful. So like I said, I'll link that down below, and I believe the kit is like $40 or 30 something dollars, and you get a lot of bang for your bucks. So definitely check that out if you're looking for a nice starters kit. So these are the charms. I have like this little thing where I keep all my charms at. So I'm gonna go in with these teddy bear charms, and the sweet charm is like a little candy packaging thing. And I'm just gonna apply a ton of polygel. Well, let me not say a ton, but I'm gonna coat the whole back of that gummy bear. And what you want to do is apply it on your nail. And what you're going to do is take a little bit of your brush, if you got some excess polygel from around it, and cure your nail. So I'm going to be doing the same thing for the sweet charm. I know I sound so annoying, but the link to these charms will be down in the description box below. I got a pack of like 50 of them, and they're so freaking adorable. And it was only like $8 on Amazon. So it's definitely worth it. In my future video, probably not the next one, it'll probably be the one after that, I'm gonna show you guys how I remove my nail charms and reuse them, because you don't have to throw out your charms. Absolutely not, girl. You can reuse them, and I'm gonna show you guys how I take it off seamlessly. So be sure that you have my post notifications on and that you are subscribed so you don't miss out on that video. So here's what they're looking like. Super cute, super cute. For the caviar bead nail, I'm going to take some of the MAKARRT clear polygel again. And I'm just going to take my brush and I'm going to evenly apply this on my whole nail. So for the caviar beads, I got these off Amazon as well. Link will be in the description box below. You want to get a dip dish. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, it's going to be a review in my next video on it. But all I'm doing is, look at this, y'all. Just look at this. Whoa, when I tell y'all I was so mad, I like stopped for a second because I was just like, wow, did that really just happen? So what I did was I went in with my finger and kind of just tapped it on like that. I was so annoyed. That was a mess to clean up, but super easy applying caviar beads. You just want to make sure that your base is really sticky. I don't know. I never tried it. If you don't have clear polygel, you might be able to use like a base coat since that's like sticky. Probably not though. I'm not sure. But the way I do it is I use a clear polygel and it works for me. Yeah, I don't know. You might be able to use a base coat. Like you could kind of apply it and then put the beads on and then cure it. I'm not sure. You have to give it a try, but so I'm going to be going in with a top coat by Gershon, and this also is included in the kit I was telling you guys about earlier, where the rhinestones and the rhinestone applicator came in. And I'm just going to evenly apply that on my nails. I applied it on my caviar beads, but I kind of wish I didn't. You don't need to because they don't fall off since you curd them on there. So I would recommend not top coating your caviar beads. But when you're applying top coat on your 3D charms, you want to make sure that you're fully going all the way around your charms and you're super coating it, because this is what's going to help you not get your charms like stuck in your hair if you run your fingers through your hair, or stuck in your clothes or everything, because there's going to be so much gel around it that it won't happen. What you could actually also do, and I should have put this in the video, is you could go in with that clear polygel and flip your nail around and like fill in the gaps. If there's any like gaps from your 3D charms, like you could fill it in around the nails, just to ensure that like if you run your fingers through your hair, or if you put on a sweater or whatever, it won't get stuck. So what you can do is go in with some alcohol or your slip solution and go around your fingers if you accidentally apply too much top coat. I'm going to go in with the same cuticle oil I always use, and I'm just going to put this on my cuticles and rub it in. And here are the final results. I'm so in love. This is why I love nails, because it's like one day I can be extra and then the next day I can be short nude polygel nails, you know? So if you guys enjoyed this, please be sure to leave me a like and comment and subscribe. Make sure you turn your post notifications on as well, because the giveaway is coming, I promise. I'm just waiting for some more stuff to get here. It's going to be a really big giveaway. Please be sure to check out the description box below, because everything will be linked. If there's a link missing or something, just leave me a comment and I always reply, so I'll be sure to give you guys that. But yes, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!